Hi, it's Neil. Welcome to my office, and today I have the Pronto Digital Kitchen Scale. So let's check this thing out and see what it is. This is the box for it. I want to start eating healthier and stuff, and part of that is going to be weighing the things I eat. So let's see what this thing looks like. It's pretty basic looking box. See what we got here. Box is empty, and this is the scale right here. And there, that's what it looks like. I think it's got a peel blue protective film. So let's take off the blue protective film because we don't need to protect it anymore. Okay, so there we go. So that's what it looks like. So it's a kind of a stainless steel looking thing, which is what I wanted. It kind of matches my stuff. And here's where we put the batteries in. It looks like it's gonna take two AAAs. And thankfully, in the bottom here, it came with the two AAAs as well. So let's see what we got. Thrilling, I know. Okay, so we put the battery in there, battery there. And there's the on off, and we can see it turns on. We're at, I'm gonna try it here. Let me aim this down a little bit so you can kind of see what's going on. You can see my messy desk here with some bunch of junk on it. But this is the scale there. Oops, right there. I guess you're gonna have to see it from there. So right now, I'm gonna put 0, so I'm gonna zero it out. And let's see what this thing weighs. That weighs 8 grams. So this styrofoam is 8 grams. Let's see what my little Pirates of the Caribbean head weighs. This is kind of heavy. It's some resin thing, and it weighs 401 grams. So there we go. So let's see if I change the units. So it's 0.401 kilograms or 14.1 ounces. It says pound ounces. Oh yeah. So it's 0 pounds and 14.1 ounces. Sorry, I'm reading it upside down. So you can kind of see it's just upside down. That's what they're doing it. But so that's 14 ounces. So depending on if we want to use the grams or ounces, we have that option. See what the wires weigh here. This weighs 0.6 ounces. And then we have ml. So this is, I guess, milliliters. I don't know what that would do for this, but this is 16. So, and then fluid ounces, 0.6 fluid ounces, I guess. And then we're back to grams again, so 7 grams for that. So that's the scale here. It seems to work and do what it's supposed to do, I guess. It comes with an instruction manual here, so you can see what to do. And it's got some little information on the back for it as well. If you need to see that, you can probably pause it and zoom in on it. But for the most part, you basically turn it on, hit the 0, and whatever you weigh is what it weighs. And then I guess you just hit the off button when you want to turn it off. I think it said it had an auto off on there too. Let me see. Maybe not, but again, it came with a charging thing. I'm guessing these batteries are rechargeable. So, or I don't know if they're rechargeable or if it just plugs in, it can plug in as well. I have to look that up. So it's got a little USB, what is that? That's the micro USB. There's the camera. So that's what it's got, a micro USB to USB. Well, actually, let's look at these batteries and see what they are. See if they're rechargeable batteries or if it just plugs in. No, these are just regular extra heavy duty batteries. So it can plug in or you can do it with the batteries. So that's good, it gives you some options. And so it came with that wire too. It doesn't come with the little nugget thingy to plug it into the wall, but it came with the batteries, so you're ready to go right out of the box. As long as you peel out that blue thing. So it looks nice. It's a nice looking stainless steel, so you can clean it off real easy and everything. I think it might be glass on top of it, but I like it. So for me, I'm gonna give this a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video as well. But this is it here. It's the Pronto Digital Kitchen Scale. So if you need a kitchen scale, pretty inexpensive, easy to use one. This one seems to be super easy to use. I got it to work right out of the box. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, like the video, and the link's in the description if you want to buy one yourself. Thanks, bye.